Well, I made it through the first night. As you can see, just getting out of the truck. It's about 6:45 in the morning. There's my bed and the heater and everything. That's where I slept last night. It actually didn't go too bad. I stayed pretty warm, actually. I was surprised. Surprisingly warm. And it got pretty cold. I mean, you can see there's ice on the top of the truck. So, get in the front seat here and get my truck started. Yeah, it actually wasn't too bad. I'm surprised. And there's the shop that I work at. So, just getting everybody a check-in. The first night in the truck went pretty good, actually. Now I get to get up and go to work, which is going to be great, you know, but it is what it is. Gotta make that money. Tonight I get to go to the recording studio and do my thing, which will be awesome. That's when I shine in life, is at the studio. So it feels like there's something in my shoe here, so I'm trying to dig that out. Something was in there, must have fell out already. But anyway, yep, went pretty good. I actually don't mind it. It's a little cramped. That's the only problem, but the heater keeps that truck really warm. I threw a couple hand warmers underneath the blanket that I was laying on top of, and it really kept my whole body really warm all night. So, you know, we got a meeting here at 7 o'clock here in about 15 minutes here at the shop. I'm probably going to run up to the store and grab some coffee real quick. And, yeah, so the night went pretty decent. Now let's see how the day goes.